This is the Yaber Pro V7, an affordable projector that punches above its weight class. Let's take a very quick look inside the box, see what it comes with, then we'll set it up and I'll give you some quick impressions. A big thanks to Yaber for sponsoring this video, but all opinions are my own. Inside the box it comes with this backpack, and this holds the projector and all the accessories. Once we get the bag open, the first thing we see is an instruction booklet, a small screwdriver, and 2 brushes. Now this is going to be used for cleaning the sensor. Next up we have the Ziploc bag, and this comes with the RCA cables, a remote, a cloth for the lens, and then under here we obviously have the projector. Now as you can see, this projector isn't huge. It fits in both hands comfortably, and it's something you can set up easily. Up front, we have this lens cap to obviously protect the lens, and the side we have a fan vent, and in the back there is all the ports. And here you have an IR receiver, a pair of USB ports, headphone jacks, AV ports, and 2 HDMI ports. And of course, this is where you plug in the power. Now on the opposite side, we have the focus adjuster for the lens, and up top we have the buttons for controlling the projector if you don't want to use the remote. And speaking of remote, here's the remote. It's a very normal looking remote, nothing crazy about it, and all the buttons you need are right here. The bottom has the adjustable foot, allowing you to make the projector the right height. And then we also have the soft feet at the bottom, which kind of helps it stand and doesn't scratch whatever you're putting it on. Now what's nice about this projector is what Yaber is calling Auto 6D keystone correction and 4P 4D keystone. So if you move your projector around, automatically it corrects for the keystone. Now one of the biggest pain points of a projector, especially if you don't mount it, is that every time you move the projector, it's a little wobbly, it's a little lopsided, and you have to go into settings and kind of play around with the keystone until it's perfect. Well, with this projector, automatically and dynamically, it adjusts the keystone as you move it. So if you move it to the left a little bit, the keystone will auto adjust and make it center for you. I will say, for me to set this projector up, within 30 seconds after plugging it in, it booted up. I plugged in my Fire Stick and everything was good to go. And then once I kind of fine tuned it, the 6D keystone just kicked in automatically and it was looking perfect. If you don't have the perfect space, that's okay. There's a digital zoom mode that allows you to zoom the image in closer if that's something you need to do. So the projector does have applications built in, so you can plug a flash drive into it and you can watch videos and music off that. Or if you have like a server set up with DLNA, then you can stream directly off your server as well. It has built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so you can connect to your network pretty easily. On board, there are a few different apps like phone mirroring, and I still think plugging in a device like a Fire Stick, Apple TV, any of those things is the best way to go with this projector. Obviously with the projector, you're gonna wanna use a darker room, so I was able to test it in a room that's pretty blacked out, and the projector is great. It was extremely bright, so everything looked good. I was able to make out even dark details on movies and TV shows, but I also did try it with the lights not all the way off too, and the brightness kicked in pretty well. Obviously with any projector, you do want those lights to be off to get the best picture possible. I did test it with a show like Rick and Morty, which has a lot of colors and a lot of movement. And with that show, it was really good. The details were all there and the colors were very punchy, and obviously it was bright. And I also tried with a movie on Amazon Prime, and I tried Dodgeball. It's just one of my favorite movies, and Dodgeball looks like Dodgeball. Looks like the movie that I've watched so many times. So look guys, this is not a projector with all the bells and whistles in the world, and it's not trying to be that. It's an affordable, no frills projector that is just made to produce a good image, easy to access with your phone, and just a good bright image. And if that's what you're looking for, then this projector could get you there. So this projector can be found for less than $300, and for that price, I don't think you could do much better. Anyways guys, if you're interested in this projector, use my link down below. I get a little kickback and it helps support the channel, helps me bring really great products to you. Anyways guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja here. Have a great day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.